A man's gift maketh way for him. So I'll tell you a story about my video editor named Marvelous. I remember meeting him, that was like 3 years ago, and he came to the studio at church where we both work at technical units. And upon coming, he had so many ideas, youthful exuberance, wanted to show his skills, but at the end of the day, he started getting on a lot of person's nerves. So I, for one, I was really offended because the way he was operating, I didn't just like his style, and we were always having this back and forth friction. Then we now decided, like, okay, wait, why all these issues? Is it not the same allergic cow we are pursuing? We are all working for the same goods. Is it that so that the service can go well? So we put aside our differences and we showed him the little we know. He showed us the little that he knew, and together we started working. Then I told him, like, come on, bro. Yeah, this place that you are working, do you know that? Yeah, you can actually make a lot of money from this place. And he was so open to the idea. How would he make a lot of money from this place? My salary is just um, very low. That's what he said. I told him, see, you just have to develop your skills. Now, this place, you will get internet and you will get time. So you can use the internet and use the time to your advantage, and you can use it and you learn a skill. So we started learning video editing, content creation, and he took some classes, online classes, and he started getting better and better. Then we had a challenge, like, okay, let's monetize a YouTube page that belongs to the drama units, the joy company of my church, and we gave ourselves a 3 weeks target. And we started everything possible, and in 3 weeks, we achieved the monetization. And that really opened our eyes, like, there's nothing you set your mind to do that you can't really achieve. So today, Marvelous is now a well sought out video editor in my local community. In fact, this video, I will send it to him to edit this video, and he's going to charge me, and I'm going to pay him to edit this video. He's not going to say, you gave me the idea. Of course, he's going to give me some concession, but I'm still going to pay him, whether by appreciation or thereabout, just because he had developed his skills. So, you that is planning to come and study abroad, what skill do you have? What have you developed? If you come abroad now, do you want to come and start doing menial jobs? Do you want to come and start saying that there is no job in Canada? If there is no job, you create one. And the easiest way you can create a job from any part of the world is when you have in-demand skills. In fact, the Canadian system, what did they do? They they started this program of limiting students that are coming into Canada. But in-demand skills, they are still accepting and they are still giving visas. So, all through this month, I'll be showing you, teaching you valuable things that you really need to learn and you really need to know. I'll teach you how to write your statement of purpose, your letter of explanation. I will teach you how to use AI effectively, and I will also show you how to make money through digital marketing, affiliate marketing. It's vital skills you need to learn and how you can monetize these skills. So, if you are interested in that, comment the word skills and I will send you a link. whereby you can join our free class and you see other useful products which you can get. So comment the word skills right now and join the class. I'll see you in class. Thank you.